Hello guys, it's UI Gaming again. If I want to apply for a YouTube partnership, I need to at least have like 50 subscribers. So help this channel to reach 50 subscribers, 500 subscribers, and according to YouTube stats, if I want to be a YouTube partner, I need to have at least 500 subs and I need some help with the editing. And I kind of need some help with all these videos that I'm creating. I might do more collaborations in the future. If you guys want that, hit the subscribe button and give a like. I really hope that one day I will become a YouTube partner and earn money. Also, I'm still working on a new gaming PC that my grandpa, what the, wait actually, my my uncle is helping me to create it, and I'm gonna pay the parts that he's creating. It's a thousand. I'm going to raise money to so I can fund him to make the €1,000 of worth of a stream and gaming PC. I really hope that you guys help me to raise the channel here. I really hope that you raise the channel. I really hope so. Just share this video with other YouTubers to help me to get popular enough so I can get more subscribers. Also, if the hype button appears, hype my videos. I really want to get a hype here so I'm able to show up again. I need to put some tags in this video also. Hey, also, if you're watching this YouTube, just please don't use any more AI. Don't use AI. Use actual people, no AI. It's a bad idea. You have getting very actually not gonna say it. Well, I hope you guys can help this channel and reach as many subs. I really hope so. Viva Gaming out.